lead generation or like advertisement ideas or summarization, creating posters, something like that you are doing, is it? Okay. I use AI for content generation and creation strategy. Yeah, I get it. I get it. Fine. Okay. That is good. So we'll also look into that then. Yes. So anyone else, like rest of you guys, I do not see any responses. Does that mean you are all not using AI? Can I take it like that? I also use AI for this another Karthik. Okay. Side for side. What is it? AI for side by money earning. Okay. Okay. I understand you use AI for earning money, but I wanted to understand how deep from the tech side. Use for copywriting. Okay. So you are kind of some content creator then. All right. Anyone else? Content creation and ads. Yeah, I get it. AI for making mailers, lessons plan. Okay, so Kalpana Sharma is a teacher then. I understand. Harsha Kumar, use for my work and analysis. Good. So if you can describe a little bit more, that will be very much helpful. I also want to learn agentic AI. That is for tomorrow. Okay. So from some technical side and agentic. Yeah, we will try to touch upon little bit on agentic side, like, but I'll not mention them as agents, but I will speak. It will be in a different way. By making posters, logos, use for AI videos, cloth designing. Okay, TK. Like I understand. AI for notes, automation scripts, research, new topics. Yeah, fine. This is what Notebook LM does. We'll look into that. Okay, this is good. Like you are all trying to be in an beginner's boat is what I look at. So yeah, we'll try concentrating why AI is becoming important at this point of time, and then we will jump to generative AI side. Okay, so let's start this session now. There are some more people to admit. Okay, buddy. So now let's start off. So like, what exactly is AI? Okay, so let's try to understand that. So this one. So like, so traditionally, what is coding? I'm in power distribution, so it has identifying fault analysis. Okay, maybe then this section, Harsha, this will basically go to tomorrow's session, not today. Okay, we'll look at some technical aspects tomorrow. Maybe this one we'll try to look at there. Yeah, fine. So like, what exactly is AI? Let's try to understand. Okay, even before we say what is AI, let's try to understand what is a small piece of Python code. So what is Python code? Python code is that which is like not even Python code. What is the code? So let's say you have a remote, or like let's say you have something like a mobile phone or any dead matter out there. Okay. So let's say you want it to behave in a way that is to your liking. Then how do you say that it will start to work to your liking? Okay, only when you are able to communicate, right? Let's say you have a boy at your workplace, and then you want him to do something. So how do you basically tell him? Okay, you basically give him some kind of an instructions, and he basically try to do that. Like let's say you want a Xerox, and you just go and ask him, and he tries to get it. So what is program in an essence? The set of those set of instructions, whatever you try to tell to your boy, buddy, please get me this